So once you have your pop art onomatopoeia all drawn out, you are going to be using the primary colors to color in your design. So you should have already outlined yours in Sharpie. Once everything's outlined, coloring in each section a different primary color. So you don't have to do it exactly like mine, like I could have done red here, blue here, yellow here. So that is up to you. Once you've colored everything neatly, your best 5th grade coloring, then you can start to work on step 7, which is adding in the Ben-Day dots. So on your direction sheet, it shows you, it says add Ben-Day dots in one section using a ruler and a Sharpie. So what I mean by section is you are either going to add these in your word, the comic shape, or the background. So you can see obviously on mine, I add them in the comic shape. It says use a ruler to keep dots in a straight line. Use the measurements on a ruler to space the dots equally. So you can see how all of my dots are equally spaced. So what I'm going to do is, let me move this out of the way so you can see, you want to use the side that has mm. These little lines are millimeters. This whole like 1, 2, 3, these are centimeters. So millimeters, little lines. I use the centimeter marks. So I'm gonna put this up close so you can see it. So what I did was I lined up the edge of my ruler with the edge of the paper. So I know that my ruler is straight. If you just kind of throw it on here, however, it might look straight, but then you'll be able to see it kind of slide at an angle. So I lined up the ruler with the edge of my paper, and then I started to make the dots everywhere there was a line mark. So at the 1, at the 2, 3, and so on. And now to space it downwards, you just kind of have to use your eye, do the best you can. So sliding over, notice I avoided inside of the blue, just going in yellow. Now I will say the Ben-Day dots obviously show up best in the yellow section, whatever section that might be for you. They do show up fine in red. Blue, it's a little bit harder because the black and blue are both dark colors. So I would say pick either your yellow or red section following your centimeter marks.